So to anyone who is interested in maybe developing their skills as a cake artist or a master illusionist, let's say, my advice to you would be, you know, what I did was really to seek out the people who were doing the kinds of cakes and crafts that I wanted to learn, seek them out, and just send a friendly message and ask if you can learn from them or if they have any tips. I never expected when I wrote to Ron Ben Israel so many years ago that this celebrity chef was going to write back to me, and he absolutely did and was so nice about it. And that's how it all started. So just put yourself out there, learn as much as you can, be resourceful. Don't feel like if you don't have all the tools and the fancy gadgets that you can't get started, because really it all boils down to figuring out how to mimic real life. And there's a lot of different ways to do that. You don't necessarily have to have fancy tools. Oh, and go to the hardware store from time to time.